Hey, I'm Nick. Welcome to another episode. I'm back in my family home in Philadelphia. Let me show you what I have here. I bought this ISO CNC. It's not a Technical ISO. It's made in West Germany, right when the wall fell, probably in the early 90s or late 80s. I never got it running. I bought this 10 years ago to work on pool cues, and it just sat, unfortunately. Here's my pool cue chair. My mom made me this. Here's the rest of my shop. I've got a bandsaw. I've got a router table with an Incra fence that's full of crap right now. I made that when I was about 12 years old, 13. Here's my table saw. It's a Delta saw, cabinet making saw. I think I got this when I was 14. I was into woodworking my whole life. Dust collector. I had a joiner right here. A friend of mine borrowed it a year ago. Hand tools, and then a working bench, and then washer and dryer. I was down here all the time. I had a tool in my hand since I was literally 3 or 4 years old. The Bridgeport, which is in the garage that I showed a few episodes ago. When I bought that, I actually wanted to make it into a CNC. Let's see what I have in here, and I think I can maybe use some of these parts for the CNC that I'm working on now in Atlanta. Here's the Gecko G320. This is for a DC brushed servo. This can handle up to 20 amps and 18 to 80 volts. This should be plenty good for the Levil CNC that I'm working on. And it's really small, so it'll fit inside the cabinet. And I already bought it, and it's been sitting doing nothing, so this is a perfect use for it. It's made for brushed DC motors. I have 2 of them. I thought I had 3. Oh, because the Bridgeport would only be a 2-axis CNC retrofit, yeah. So it looks like I only bought 2 of them. I did check their website. They have a replacement to this, but it's compatible. It's about $130, so I might need to buy a 3rd one. Oh, wait a second. This says I ordered 3. Where's the 3rd one? I gotta find it. I have no idea where it is. Oh, yeah, perfect. There were 2 in this bag and 1 in the other. Okay. Oh, that's awesome. So I have 3. I have 3 drives. So there's my Levil CNC retrofit right here, and it's free. 17 years these have been sitting in this box. Never touched. Here's the 3 servo motors. I just pulled them out. I don't know why one's smaller. Let's take a look. I must have bought these around the same time, 2005. This is a DC motor. I don't see an encoder on it. It's brushed. Micro 100 Reliance Electra, made in USA. There's a model number. By the way, these are made in USA also. This might work out great as a spindle motor. Let me see what's in these 2. These are bigger. Oh, it looks the same. Just different packaging. Maybe I was gonna buy an encoder separately. I really don't remember. Is it possible there's an encoder under here and it's just missing the wiring? Oh, I think it is there. I see pins in there. We can take off this cap and see what's there. This encoder is still sold today for $50. It has 256 pulses per revolution with 1 master pulse per revolution. The company also offers a version with a count of 1024 for the same price. All 3 motors are the same, and they are real DC brushed servo motors. And they're all brand new. You can tell they've never been used. They were never taken out of the box. I think I spent $600 for all 3 of these motors. This is in 2005, I guess. The eBay records don't go back that far. The current price today, I think, is about $130 each. I kind of think it was around the same price then. This slip doesn't have a price on it. I'm never gonna make the Bridgeport into a CNC. That was a bad idea from the start. I definitely won't need these motors for the Bridgeport CNC, and I definitely won't need these for the Bridgeport. I'm gonna use these for the Levil. Maybe I can use one of these as a spindle for the Levil, and or the TAG I have, and or the scratch-built CNC I have. I don't know if this will be better than a PWM motor. I mean, I have it, and it's a really high-quality motor, made in USA. This is probably around 3,000 RPM max speed. Thanks for watching another episode of what kind of crap did I have that I never used for 15 years. Catch you guys next time.